Color Addiction is a JavaScript game that is built for aspiring designers and artists that allows them to test their color blending skills in a fun, fast-paced, and virtual environment. You'll notice on the landing page that the color scheme and design is fairly muted. This is because we wanted our game pieces to stand out amongst our design. You'll also notice that when you hover over these letters and over the buttons that they light up in a color. This is just to add some interest to the page. So you're prompted to either create an account or log in if you're not already signed in. And so to create an account, you just type in a username and a password and hit create account. You'll see that you get a message saying that you're registered. It doesn't reset the form, so you don't have to retype your information in again. You just have to hit login. Once you log in, you'll notice that there is a nav bar that pops up that has a play button, a stat button, and a log out button. And you'll also notice an instruction screen. So it says drag and drop the colors to match the top color. And when you hit play, you'll see what that is. So at the top, you'll notice total score, level time, and total time. This is the time that it takes to complete the level. Your total time and total score are cumulative amongst all of the levels. Your level score starts at 100 and goes down, and not only does it go down over time, but it also goes down if you guess the incorrect blend. And your level time counts up from 0 and restarts each level. So the goal of the game is to match this top color by blending some of the other colors in these blocks. So if you drag over to the correct color, the color square blends to the top color and you know that your guess was correct. This level is a little bit more challenging because some of the colors are very similar. So to test this out, you try different squares. You'll notice that my square blend that I dragged this to was wrong. So a little thing popped up that said that I lost 10 points, and it was brought back to the space where it was initially. I think this might be the correct answer, and it says correct and moves on to the next level. And you continue playing the levels. There's 10 in total. And you'll notice the total time has gone up to 80 seconds. That's a cumulative of how many seconds it's taken me to complete these levels, and my total score has also gone up. So you continue playing the levels, and like I said, they do get harder as you go. You'll see this one is quite challenging. And as you play, you work to solve these puzzles. This is level 10. And once you complete your levels, all the levels, you're sent to a stats page. You'll see a leaderboard that has all of the scores from the top 3 people, both total, and you'll see a level breakdown at the top. My level 1 score, I didn't get any points, and it took me 48 seconds. You can go in through all of these and notice that the leaderboard changes for each level, and you can just click through. If you hit play again, it'll give you the login screen and let you restart the game. If you hit stats, it'll take you back to what your stats were after your first gameplay. And if you hit log out, it logs you out. However, if I were to refresh the page, it will not take me back to the login screen because our website uses JSON web tokens to save your token, so you don't have to log in every time you go onto the site. But if you hit log out, your token is erased and you're taken back to your login screen. And that's Color Addiction.